In 2012, at the start of the EU project GlowBrain, we asked in our first animation, what is GlowBrain? Now, at the end of the project, we ask again, what are GlowBrain results? GlowBrain is a research platform at the University of Zagreb School of Medicine, which was created by the corresponding EU project. The brains, which indeed glow, are studied in a newly organized laboratory referred as the GlowLab. In GlowLab we study mice, in order to help in the same way humans suffering from brain diseases. Our research deals with the major health problem, stroke, and our task is to find how to help the mouse using GlowBrain platform and afterwards to help stroke patients in the same way. The equipment in the GlowBrain platform was acquired by the GlowBrain project. This includes the instrument for magnetic resonance imaging using 7 Tesla magnetic field. It allows to image details of the mouse body and its organs, and it is used to precisely visualize stroke in the mouse brain. Through GlowBrain we as well acquired a device dedicated to visualize glowing brains. The light glowing in the mouse brain is produced in the same way as fireflies glow in the summer nights, and it enables us to see the molecular events in the brain. It allows us to measure inflammation after stroke and subsequent brain repair. In addition to molecular imaging of living mice, GlowBrain platform uses other innovative technologies. To study how to repair brain damage, stem cells and biomaterials are applied. Stem cells are transplanted into mouse brain together with biomaterials, which should provide a favorable environment after transplantation. The mice are then imaged and the effect of our actions monitored and evaluated. This should point to the new therapies to help human patients. Creators of the new knowledge and skills are young scientists. GlowBrain returned to Croatia 4 young scientists and instead of brain drain, reversed it to brain gain. New projects using GlowBrain platform should provide further financing for young scientists to continue and develop their activities. Moreover, the GlowBrain is open platform and every scientist is welcome to use the GlowLab. Together with the brain, we image regenerating cartilage and inflamed joints. And in the future, we look forward to many different samples. Through collaboration with other scientists, we intend to increase our research capabilities for the brain and for the other fields. Only joining forces we can achieve that, similar to mice, new ideas glow in our brains. Through GlowBrain project, we gain confidence that we can establish the leading-edge technologies in Croatia. Thanks to our results, our research is recognized in Europe. My name is Srećko Gajović, and I am the coordinator of the GlowBrain project. Let the brains glow, and let the GlowBrain continue to advance our scientific achievements.